This door panel's making me crazy. Somebody along the way put sheet metal screws in here. Yeah. So one nut is this size, one nut is that size, one nut is metric, one side is not, you know. The thing that's holding me up is I've got a bolt. Right there's one. And right there's one. Soon. We got two different sockets now with the ones we've already tried. It's coming. I do not recommend that to folk. That is not how you do it, but that is pissing me off. Did I just cause myself work on down the road? I sure did, but I got that damn door panel off. Jeez, man. God almighty. Now we'll find out what size this son of a bitch is. It's a 10. See, the problem was my tool was too big for my hole. I want to apologize again about the door handle. I just couldn't take it anymore. All right, next we got to take the door handle off. Can you see there's a little crack right there? Can you see that? All right, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can do this with you guys right here. So we're gonna put that in there, and that is just going to so much for that. All right, now once you pop that part out, there is now, see the little Phillips head in there? So now let's take that guy out. Oh, don't lose, oh Lord, screw and a washer fell out. Oh Lord. Screw found, washer found, all right. Now, we're not keeping a lot from this door panel, but we will keep this because I don't see the point in replacing this. It's just going to be another piece of black plastic. So we'll put that, hang on. Let's just go ahead and get a Ziploc bag for this door so we don't lose parts. Doesn't that just pop right off of there? All right, let me piddle with this for a second and see. You know what? Don't need to worry about taking it off. See, now what we can do is we can go ahead and wind the window. Oh my God, what is wrong with that? To the heavens and the Lord, good grief. Whew. So now we've got that down in there. We can go ahead and start removing the weather out of here because, see, we're going to replace all this, but I'm not sure if I'm ready to do all that just yet. All right. This is not a technical demonstration. This is not a professional demonstration of how to remove a door panel from a 1974 Super Beetle. Please do not do this at home. I'm done with that. That's bullshit. Once again, that's not the way to do it. But we got to replace it anyway, so screw it. It's got this vent right here. And I'm taking out these carpet pieces. You can see where I've taken it out over there. And I unscrewed and put it back. I don't know what that is. You can see there's a cable that goes to the floor. See it run over there? Anyway, I don't know what it is, but I'm not damaging this, I promise. Now that one doesn't have a cable hooked up to it. Oh, well. Damn! I'm putting $10 million that was a factory carpet. Holy shit. Yeah, this is factory. Ugh. For the love of Pete! All right, I didn't take the back seat out. We still got to do the headliner. Look, ashtrays over there and the rear door panels. But I'm not really worried about that stuff because we can go ahead and start sanding. That carpet was from 1974, I know it. Looks like a bottle of mustard and ketchup. All right. You know what I wish? I wish we could go and it be done. But then we'd miss all the fun. Thanks for watching. Have a Hobley.